Happy birthday to you. Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Yeah, this is gonna be a vlog. I don't know why I started because obviously I'm doing my hair and I'm sat on my makeup table, so yeah, I'm just gonna do my hair. I'm actually kind of in a rush.
Don't get out.
Why?
Oh yeah, let me pause this because I'm distracted. Yeah, what was I saying? Yeah, I'm kind of in a rush. I was gonna record my hair when I woke up at 7, but I woke up at 9:30. I literally switched off my alarm and went back to sleep, and I literally told myself, just get up, we have a lot of things to do. Clearly not serious stuff, but yeah, I'm gonna do my hair. I'm gonna curl it and put it in rollers, and then I'm gonna head out, and that's when I'll be with you guys. So just give me 5 minutes. Watch this, maybe even less. Watch this. So we're back, we're done our shopping. I'm gonna give you guys a haul later. I've literally only got like 15 minutes to be ready, so I need to do my makeup super fast, and I ain't got time to be ramping sharp. Okay, so let's just do our makeup and then we can go from there. I'm gonna do my makeup in silence only because I really want to watch Desperate Housewives, and if I'm talking to you guys I'm gonna lose track of time, and I know that I've only got how long is the episode? 42 minutes long. Half of that, so I'm just gonna continue rush in, and then I'll put some music or something behind it so you guys can watch, because I promised you a tutorial like a couple of weeks ago and I didn't do that. Let's not hate. I'm giving you one now. So my skin is prepped. I'm just gonna prime my face. I need to push these rollers back. It's just this thing keeps like lagging, and it just makes me feel like it's not recording, but because it doesn't like readjust until I stop recording, which is so annoying. But I'm gonna have faith that you are bugging, and So guys, we finally made it. I know I was meant to vlog and I was meant to give you guys an actual tutorial, but my storage was messing me up. Okay, fuck storage. I might have to move to Android. What do you mean? What are you saying? Google Pixel?
No, actually, Motorola flip phone.
Alright.
Yeah,
alright.
the Razor one. But
yeah, so we finally made it. I'm here with Jenny, my lunch buddy. And we are at El Sardo for a nice little lunch, brunch, dinner, you know, our 1 meal a day.
Vibes.
You know, why would you have 1 meal a day and you're not having it at a restaurant?
Jermaine.
Get with it, learn something. So I'll see you guys later when everything comes. Actually, wait, before I go, on the reservation I put it as like my birthday because my birthday was last week, and I also told them that Jen hit 10k followers on TikTok. Big her. Jay the Fly is on TikTok, I'll let you guys know, and they gave us free prosecco. Prosecchi.
Loved it.
Big her, not the little one. So obviously, guys, how many style? So clearly we're like extremely thirsty because why do you have a bottle of wine? Jen has 2 drinks over there, an espresso martini. Big purr. I think that's my new thing now. Big purr and a big purr, big purr.
Yeah.
Let's try. I actually love an espresso martini, and they done it so beautifully. Like, guys, look at that. It's lately I've seen some and they were so cloudy. Maybe I'm not an expert, but I like it when it looks like black coffee and a phone.
You know?
Okay, guys, just to let you know, this is octopus, pulled pork.
No. Wait.
This is the croquettes. We got some squid, we got some patatas, we got some bread and some dipping bread. And we got our olives. How can I forget them? Oh wait, there's more stuff.
Oysters.
I'm so scared
Oh my
to try
gosh,
these.
I'm
Look
so
at these
guys.
oysters. Now it's gonna be the table small. We're gonna need to make another one bigger. There we go. Here's the oysters, las ostras.
I'm so scared to
You
try
have,
these.
gambas pil. Yeah, gambas pil. Be careful because it's very, very hot, yeah?
Thank you.
I don't want
Thank
to
you.
get burned.
Wow, it's still so
And this
small.
is the ceibas.
Perfect.
Look at this.
Thank you.
I hope you enjoy it.
Thank you so
You're
much.
very welcome. I'm gonna come to top up your wine when you finish the champagne, yeah?
No problem. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Wow, guys, we have oysters. I'm so scared to try that,
No, same, honestly.
but I do like I like sushi, so it should be the same, right? This looks insane. I think we're gonna need like an extra table, a table for 6. Okay, so we're trying oysters for the very first time. Oh, I don't know if I should put this in it. What is this? I just don't like the water that's in here. I'm so scared,
I'm
guys.
breaking it. I'll be honest with you, I'm breaking it. We've been sat for like 5 minutes now trying to work up the courage to do it.
Okay, I'm gonna do it. Are you gonna watch me?
Yeah, do it.
Okay, cool. Okay, 1, 2.
Perfecto. Perfecto, yes.
I like them.
What does it taste like?
It's salty,
It's salty. Does it taste fishy?
but at the same time, I do like sushi.
Okay, I'm gonna do it, guys.
Oh my gosh, that was so good.
I'm gonna do it.
No, just drop it in. Don't do that. Just drop it in, like straight down. Some of them say don't chew, just swallow, but it's kind of like I feel like you have to chew. Mine was huge. You didn't give it a chance.
I bit it. Yeah, that tastes like the sea.
Okay, no,
It does.
it's
It tastes like
just
I've
salty. It was really
At
good.
least some patatas.
I enjoyed it. I guess you won't be coming with me to all you can eat
I
oysters.
probably won't. Only salt.
Do you know what?
Échame un rato de rumbo, ven contigo a bailar con